In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create perspective in Canva. We'll go from a flat image to a dynamic angled look using a built-in app, and I'll walk you through each part so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your design in Canva. This can be an existing project or a fresh canvas sized for what you are creating. Give yourself a little room around the edges so you can see the effect clearly as you work. Once your design is open, look to the left sidebar and click on the Apps tab. In the search bar there, type Transform Image or Image Transform It. You are looking for the utility that lets you bend and skew an image to create that angled in perspective feel. If you don't see it immediately, try both names and make sure you are in the Apps section, not the Elements or Uploads panel. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to upload your file. This step happens directly inside the app. And that's important. You can't select something that's already on your canvas. Make sure the file you want to transform is saved on your computer and ready to go. Common image formats like PNG and JPG work well. If your image has transparency, a PNG will help preserve clean edges. Keep the file size reasonable so the preview loads quickly. After the upload, you'll see a preview window with controls to adjust perspective. Click and drag the corners to skew the image, simulating depth and angle. If the image looks stretched or unnatural, ease back on the corners and try small, incremental moves. You can also rotate the image to match the direction you want it to face. Aim for lines that feel believable, for example, if you are placing a screen mock-up on a tilted surface. The top and bottom edges should appear to converge slightly. Watch the edges so nothing important gets cropped. And check that text, logos, or key details remain readable. Take your time here. Subtle adjustments usually produce the most realistic result. Once you are happy with how it looks, click Add to Design. The transformed image will drop onto your canvas as a new element, ready to be positioned within your layout. Place it where it complements your composition and make sure it doesn't compete with your focal point. If you are layering multiple items, consider spacing and contrast, so the perspective effect stands out cleanly. When everything looks right, save your design so your changes are preserved. That's the process for creating perspective in Canva using the Transform Image tool. Thanks for watching.